Hello guys, Lord Beerus here from the Celestial Avengers. Today we have CZSK the Night Guardians for our 4th war, and the bands are Corvus, White Max, Nico, Spider-Woman and Carolina Dean. Starting off from Path 7 today, we have this Vision Arkus to start with, using Onslaught here. So this fight is a pretty simple fight. Once he places Cold Snap on me, gains lots of Neuros on him, then I can drop my special 2 and the degens take him off. Also the heavy punish on the special 1 is pretty simple as well. So I can keep refreshing the pause timer on the Neuros. I didn't mean to throw the special 2 when the damage reversal was on him. But yeah, it's not a lot to worry about. Got cornered here, but it doesn't matter. He's ticking very fast and the fight's almost over. Well, it can do special maybe. No, the basic hits finish him off. Next up we have Nefaria on Note 16, using mantis here. I have never used mantis in war fights before, so this is a new for me. I'm starting with the invul, I think, yeah. Already had invul from the last fight, I guess. So yeah, just have to build up to 2 bars and drop the special 2 after heavy cancelling with 10 furies, and the fight's almost over after that. The AI was very cooperative in this fight, so it went pretty quick. Heavy cancel into special 2 and big crits is almost down to 20%. I pushed him to 3 bars I think here, and he throws it, but I have invul on, so it didn't matter. Yeah, he throws his special 3. Just a couple of hits and he's dead. And he's down. Moving on to the next fight. It's onslaught on Note 25, I think. I'm switching my master race to the suicide master race because I'm using bastion and he does very well with the suicides on. Also, I think I'm running 4 points on collar tech as well. The suicides are specifically set up for bastion, I think, yeah. So only 1 point in willpower and 4 points in collar tech, yeah. I'll throw a power start 1 here and a couple of power back boosts as well. Just have to nuke him with special 2 and special 1 rotation. I don't know why the loading time is that much for everything in the game. So yeah, my attack is almost 21k here with suicides. The AI was very passive at the start and then he became so aggressive. I think I got hit by a special one. I did exit, but I don't know what happened there. So here, I think it hits me. Yeah, here. I dexed it and it hit me still. And then he lands a couple of combos on me. But yeah, after special 2 and special 1 is almost down now. Also, I don't know why the disintegration didn't put on there after my heavy. Or he would have died in the first special one as well. So yeah, this second special one kills him. And the fight's over. Now I'll go back and turn off the suicides. That was the only bastion fight I had. Yeah, so the suicides are off now. Back to the normal masteries. Now we have the zemo on 34, I think. Yeah, 34. Using onslaught here. And the power by boost as well, because why not? I have lots of boosts. So this fight as well, I think I had power start 1 from the previous one. So just drop special 1 and so this happened at the start. Well, I didn't land, but I threw my special 1 quickly after that. So it's now unblockable. I want him to throw the special 1 and he throws it. And I got hit from the last shot. Nice. Did manage to pause the neuros, but there are only 4 of them. I have to build more neuros and then hit a big special 2 on him. Found him to throw it, I throws it. I got the spacing right this time. Need him to throw it, throws it. I will counter that. The neuros were almost expired. Yeah, so I'll drop a spitboo here. Okay, I got rooted, so I have to wait. To throw the special 1 and then I'll drop my special 2, I think. Oh no. That works as well. It's almost dead now. Yeah. Easy fight. Next we have, I think, 45 photom. This fight I was not really sure about, but apparently it's very easy. Using mantis here as well. Drop a heal boost. And I used power start 1 here, but I think without the PS1 the fight would have been finished sooner than that. Spoiler alert, it's a solo. I think I should have used smaller power by boost because I was gaining too much power after crits on the special 2. This was supposed to be my last fight. So yeah, rank 4 photon with rank 3 mantis. So with the tranquilize on the photon, the hazard shift nodes shut and her debuffs also shut as well. Wait special 1 and then build up my charges. don't want any debuffs from her. That's a special 2. Perfect. And then drop my special 2 as well. As you can see, I only have like 13 charges on it. Need 7 more, but I have to go here because if not I would have gone to 3 bars. And also the power back almost put me back to 2 bars again. I beat the special 1 I think. And then drop special 2 again. And she's almost in the pure light form here. I didn't want her to push to the pure light form. I thought this would kill, but it drops her to 2% and then relic into combo. Yeah, that kills her. That was it. But then I managed to scoop up an extra fight from there was an onslaught fight for 46 lumatrix I think. So I was like, why not add the power shot one as well on me. So I took that fight as well. Yeah, so this was supposed to be taken from someone else, but I took it instead. Onslaught is really good for lumatrix. Once I place the neuros and then I can't miss and the fight's basically over. Also I can dex a special one consistently, so that helps as well. I don't know why I thought this was a stun immune mode. I just didn't parry him much. Like here I parry that, but then I don't parry for a long time after that. Maybe I should have thrown my special 1 first and built some neuros. There is special interception. I want him to throw his heavy so I can counter, but he doesn't throw it. Now he's being really passive, so I just throw my special 2. Don't have any pause, so there's expires 1. I could have parried him there many times, but I didn't. Here I did again. Special 1 dex. There's only 1 neuro, so I forgot. I think here that the neuro fell off, and then I missed my attack somehow. Yeah, here. So the neuro fell off there, and I missed, but I threw special 1 to recover. Just had to drop my special 2 to finish him off. Also need him to throw his heavy so I can pause them, but they all fell off again. I have to go for special 1 again I think. I need to pause those news somehow on him, but he gets very passive once I start to bait his heavy. The spacing for heavy counter on special 1 is pretty tough. I didn't manage to pull it off. In the duels it was working, but here it didn't work. And then he corners me and he's at 2 bars now. So I was like, I'm dead here. But then I dropped special 2 with 12 neuros, 12 degens. Drops a special 2. I drop my relic into heavy and he's dead. So that's it for this war, guys. I had 6 fights total, and I think we were at 3 deaths and they were at 7. So yeah, bye bye.